How to take care of your skin in summer. 1. Consider changing your face wash. Cleansing your face is the most basic skincare routine that you need to follow, irrespective of the season. During summers, the climate is hot and humid. Your face tends to produce more oil during this time, so you need to change your cleanser accordingly. Oily skin takes the maximum beating as your pores can get easily clogged and cause acne. Get a foaming cleanser that contains salicylic acid for summers. 2. Do not forget sunscreen. This is something that you absolutely cannot forget during summers. Sun protection for your face, hands, legs, and any other exposed parts of your body is vital. Excessive UV exposure can permanently damage your skin and cause sunburn, wrinkles, fine lines, skin cancer, and premature aging. 3. Add a bunch of antioxidants. Invest in serums, moisturizers, and sunscreens that come with an additional punch of antioxidants. For instance, vitamin C protects your skin from environmental damage, prevents wrinkles, and boosts collagen development. Creams and serums loaded with natural extracts and antioxidants reduce inflammation, which is pretty common in summer, neutralize harmful free radicals, and repair your skin. 4. Add fruits and vegetables to your diet. Applying antioxidants topically is not enough. To maintain radiant skin, you need to nourish it accordingly. Healthy eating is a must during summer. Consume lots of fruits and vegetables. They contain essential vitamins, nutrients, and antioxidants that boost collagen production, reduce inflammation, and protect your skin from the damaging effects of the sun. 5. Keep yourself hydrated. Drink plenty of water and don't forget to carry a water bottle with you wherever you go. Keep sipping from your bottle. This is important to keep your skin hydrated, flush out toxins from your body, and feel refreshed during the hot summer days. 6. Go easy on makeup. When it comes to makeup during summer months, go minimal. That's because your skin needs to breathe when the weather is super hot and humid. If you absolutely cannot do without your foundation, go for a tinted moisturizer with SPF and layer it with face powder to avoid any patchy spots. 7. Exfoliate during summer. Your skin works hard to keep itself healthy and heal any irritation or sunburn. Help your skin in this process by exfoliating it gently. Exfoliation helps buff away the dead skin cells, leaving your skin looking radiant. You can use homemade sugar scrubs to exfoliate your skin or simply scrub your skin gently with a washcloth. However, make sure that you do not over-exfoliate your skin. 8. Tone your skin. Toners are must-have during the summer months. A good toner keeps your skin oil-free and clean. It also reduces the appearance of pores. When applying toner, pay attention to your T-zone as it is the part of your face that secretes the maximum oil during summer. 9. Update your moisturizer. If you think your skin does not need moisturizer during the summer months, you are wrong. The only difference is that the heavy moisturizers that you use during winter will not work during summer. You need to use a light moisturizer when the weather is warm. Pick a non-greasy and lightweight moisturizer. Pick one with SPF for daytime use. That will help lock in the essential moisture of your skin. 10. Do not forget your feet. Your skin does not end at your neck. Most of us tend to forget our feet. Now that you have replaced your winter boots with summer sandals, you need to take care of your feet as well. Give yourself a pedicure at home. Use a scrub to remove the dead and dry skin cells. Moisturize your feet, and don't forget to apply sunscreen lotion on them. 11. Get enough exercise. If the summer heat, sweat, and humidity are keeping you off the treadmill, don't give up. Though staying in and watching a movie while sipping iced tea is a tempting option, exercise is equally important for maintaining healthy skin during summer. 12. Don't cut down your resting time. Your body needs time to repair itself and maintain healthy skin. That's why no matter what schedule you maintain, try to take out enough time to rest. This is crucial because during the summer months, the days are longer, and most of us tend to be active for longer. Being exposed to the sun longer also leads to dullness and the appearance of the signs of aging. 13. Do not forget the eye area. The area around your eyes is more delicate than the rest of your face and needs special care. Whenever you are stepping out in the sun, do not forget to wear sunglasses. This will prevent the formation of wrinkles around your eyes. Don't forget to apply a moisturizing eye cream both during the day and at night. Use products that contain hydrating ingredients, such as hyaluronic acid, honey, and cucumber. Massage the area around your eyes every night to relax the muscles. 14. Cool off with a face mist. A cool face mist works wonders on a hot and humid summer day. It helps in soothing sunburns and inflammation and makes your skin look fresh and dewy. You can buy face mist or even make one at home. 15. Always take cold water showers. Avoid hot showers and steam baths during summer as they dehydrate your skin. Take a cold water shower instead. It keeps your skin pores unclogged and prevents acne breakouts. It is also much more refreshing.